Hello friends, welcome back to Sangini Viras.
This Mother's Day, we gave a break to your Sangini, that's our mother, and we baked some delicious white forest cupcakes for her.
Kids wanted to surprise their mommy with a cake, hence we baked a cupcake for her. Hope you will like this recipe. Do watch.
To start the recipe, we have taken a bowl here, and to that we will add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And next we will add in 1/4 cup of salted butter. And after this we are adding half cup of condensed milk. And now we will whisk it till the mixture becomes light and fluffy. So now we have beaten the mixture nearly for 3 to 4 minutes. So let's move on to the next step. Now we have placed a sieve on the bowl. To this we will be adding 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Next goes in 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we will sieve all the dry ingredients into the bowl. Now we will mix our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and I am using cut and fold method here. We have taken half cup of milk and we will be adding it into the mixture little by little as per the requirement. We have utilized entire half cup of milk, but still the batter seems to be thick, so we have taken another half cup of milk and we will be adding it little by little as per the requirement. Do not add the entire milk in one go, otherwise there will be lumps in the batter. We have used 3/4 cup of milk to make the batter, and our lump-free batter is ready. And now we will add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. Mix well, and at the end we will add a teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix it gently, do not overmix it. Now as the mixture is ready, we have taken cupcake molds and lined them with cupcake liners. Now we will fill the cupcake molds with the batter. Do not fill the mixture till the top, as it will rise after baking. And we will fill all the molds in the similar manner. All our molds are ready. Let's bake them. We have preheated the pan on low flame for 10 minutes. Then we have arranged the molds in a plate, and then we have placed the plate into the preheated pan. Now we will bake these cupcakes on a low to medium flame for nearly 20 minutes. And if you are using a microwave, bake them on convection mode at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking, let's prepare the icing. Here we have taken 1 cup of non-dairy whipping cream. Add it to a bowl and start beating it with the help of an electric beater. We will start at a slow speed and gradually increase. Our cream is ready. If we turn the bowl upside down, the cream won't fall. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check on to our cupcakes. We'll insert a toothpick and check. See, our toothpick has come out clean. So our cupcakes are ready. We'll switch off the flame, take them out and allow them to cool. Our cupcakes have cooled down completely. We had some extra batter remaining, which we had kept in the small mold and kept it for baking. I will just demold this cupcake and show it to you. I had greased this mold very well before pouring the batter into it. Just have a look how soft our cupcake is. Let's demold the other cupcakes as well. See how easily they come out. Can you see how well they have risen? Guys, I must tell you, these cupcakes are awesome. They are so moist and delicious, you will love it. We have demolded all of the cupcakes, so let's start with the icing. We have filled the whipped cream in an icing bag with a star nozzle. And we'll start making swirls on the cupcake like this. We will make swirls on all the cupcakes in the similar manner. So, we are done icing all the cupcakes. As we are making white forest cupcakes, we will sprinkle some white chocolate flakes on the top. In the end, we will place a cherry on top of each cupcake. So friends, our delicious, yummy, soft and delectable cupcakes are ready to be served. Give this recipe a try, and guys, trust me, you are going to love it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family. And if you have yet not subscribed to my mom's channel, please subscribe to Sangini Ki Rasoi. Till we meet with another delicious recipe. Take care, enjoy.